Evir, and welcome back to the workshop. Today, we're doing a deep dive into a real beast of a machine, the Delta Cruiser 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. Model 26-2312 if working. Whether you're a professional contractor, a dedicated hobbyist, or a DIY enthusiast who demands the best from your tools, then you're going to want to stick around for this. We're going to unbox it, put it through its paces, and see if it truly lives up to the legendary Delta name. So, grab your safety glasses and let's get started. Right out of the box, the first thing that strikes you about the Delta Cruiser is its build quality. This isn't some lightweight, flimsy piece of equipment. You can feel the professional-grade engineering just by looking at it. The frame is heavy-duty, and you can tell it's built to withstand the rigors of a busy job site or a demanding workshop for years to come. What's even better is that it arrives fully assembled. That's right, no spending an hour trying to decipher confusing instructions and fumbling with nuts and bolts. You can literally pull it out of the box, set it on your bench or stand, and you're ready to make your first cut within minutes. For me, that's a huge plus because it means less downtime and more time getting work done. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the 15 amp motor. This motor provides a powerful startup, getting the 12-inch blade spinning at 4,000 RPM with no hesitation. What does that mean for you? It means clean, smooth cuts through even the toughest materials. Whether you're slicing through thick hardwoods like oak or maple, or you're working with pressure-treated lumber for a deck project, this saw has the muscle to power through without bogging down. The strong torque ensures that the blade maintains its speed under load, which is critical for preventing burning and achieving that perfect, glass-smooth finish on your cuts. This isn't just about raw power. It's about controlled, reliable power that you can count on for every single project. Now, one of the standout features of the Cruiser is its incredible cutting capacity. Thanks to its unique sliding mechanism, this saw boasts an impressive 18-inch crosscut capacity. That is for 12-inch Schmiede saw. Think about what that allows. You can easily cut wide shelving, large framing members, and complex trim pieces in a single pass. This eliminates the need to flip your workpiece, which not only saves time, but also significantly improves your accuracy. For anyone doing cabinetry, furniture building, or extensive trim work, this wide crosscut capability is a complete game changer. It opens up a whole new range of possibilities and makes handling oversized materials so much easier and more precise. Let's get into the dual bevel part of the name. This saw can bevel both to the left and to the right, with easy-to-read markings and positive stops at the most common angles like 45 and 22.5 degrees. But what really sets the Cruiser apart is the front-mounted bevel control. Instead of reaching around to the back of the saw to adjust the bevel angle, which can be awkward and unsafe, the control is right up front. It's a simple, intuitive lever that you can operate with one hand. This design is not only more convenient, but it's also a major safety enhancement. You can make quick and precise bevel adjustments without ever taking your eyes off the workpiece or putting your hands near the blade. It's a thoughtful design element that shows Delta really considered the user's workflow. Precision is paramount with a miter saw, and this is where the Cruiser truly shines. The sliding mechanism uses high-strength aluminum frame arms that glide on heavy-duty bearing. The action is incredibly smooth, with absolutely no side-to-side play. This rigidity is what guarantees that your cuts are perfectly straight and true every single time. When you pull the saw through the cut, it feels solid and controlled. The miter gauge is also incredibly accurate, with a solid locking mechanism that holds your angle securely. There are positive stops at all the common miter angles, and the detent override makes it easy to dial in those less common, in-between angles with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're cutting a simple 90-degree crosscut or a complex compound miter for crown molding, you can trust that this saw will deliver the precision you need for tight, professional-looking joints. Let's talk about some of the other user-friendly features. The saw has a molded handle with an ergonomic trigger that fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during long days of use. The blade guard is clear and provides excellent visibility of the cut line, and it retracts smoothly as you lower the blade. The dust collection is also surprisingly effective for a miter saw. While no miter saw will capture 100% of the dust, the port and included bag do a respectable job, and when hooked up to a shop vac, it keeps your workspace significantly cleaner. These might seem like small details, but they add up to a much more enjoyable and efficient user experience. It shows that the designers at Delta weren't just focused on power and capacity, but also on the practical, day-to-day usability of the tool. Safety is obviously a top priority in any workshop, and the Delta Cruiser has several features designed to keep you protected. The front-mount locking system for the bevel is a big one. As we discussed, as it keeps your hands away from the back of the saw, the electronic brake stops the blade within seconds of releasing the trigger, which is a crucial safety feature that reduces the risk of accidental contact with a coasting blade. The heavy-duty build itself contributes to safety. A stable, well-planted saw is a safe saw. There's no wobble or flex, giving you complete confidence and control during every cut. Delta has a long-standing reputation for building safe and reliable tools, and the Cruiser is a perfect example of that commitment. So, who is this saw for? If you're a professional carpenter, framer, or trim installer, the durability, power, and massive crosscut capacity make this an absolute workhorse that will pay for itself in efficiency and quality of work. If you're a serious woodworker or furniture maker, the precision and smooth operation will allow you to create flawless joints and execute complex designs with confidence. Even for the advanced DIYer who is tackling major home renovation projects like building a deck, finishing a basement, or installing new flooring, this saw is a fantastic investment. It's a tool that you won't outgrow. It has the capability to handle virtually any project you can throw at it, and its robust build means it will be a cornerstone of your workshop for many years. To wrap things up, the Delta Cruiser 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw is an exceptional piece of machinery. It perfectly balances raw power with refined precision. The massive 18-inch crosscut capacity, the smooth and rigid slide mechanism, and the user-friendly features like the front-mounted bevel control make it stand out in a crowded market. It's built to last, designed for safety, and delivers the professional-grade results that the Delta name is known for. While it's a significant investment, it's one that delivers incredible value in terms of capability, accuracy, and long-term durability. If you're in the market for a top-tier miter saw that will elevate your woodworking, I highly recommend you give the Delta Cruiser a very close look. Thanks so much for joining me in the shop today to check out this amazing saw. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tool reviews and project videos. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Delta Cruiser, or if there's another tool you'd like to see me review. Until next time, stay safe and keep building.